Hello, everyone. My name is David. I am an aspiring influencer and a digital marketer. Today, I wanted to talk to you all about an awesome opportunity that I've been going through. It's called the $1 Million Challenge. This is brought to you by Liam James Kay, who's a top marketer for Builderall. In case for you guys that don't know, Builderall is an online marketing platform. For one price, you get all your marketing tools, your design tools, your automation tools, all in one place, all for one low cost. Now, what Liam is trying to do with this $1 Million Challenge is to help 1,000 people create $1,000 in 30 days, and then to continue to earn $1,000 passively month after month. So essentially, once the challenge is done, you can simply pack up and continue making that 1,000 possibly until forever. So I've been doing this for about 2 weeks now, and I have found that the energy from all my fellow marketers has been amazing. And I feel like the Facebook group, which is still growing, to be very uplifting and a great source of healthy, good ideas about what to do, where to go, and how to advertise. This is an amazing place to start if you're looking to make money online, especially if you're looking to make passive or residual income. No experience is needed in order to get started. Every question you have will be answered. So I just wanted to walk you guys through the steps really quick uh, of the $1 Million Challenge funnel. First, you'll come up with this info page where your traffic will click on the current spot, and we'll come to this landing page where all of your people will come and join the Facebook group, which I just showed you, and then after that, they will begin the challenge. Uh, so everything you need in order to be successful is right here. Liam has made it so instead of just giving you information and hoping that you do your best, he takes the guesswork out of the equation. You're given everything that you need, including a free traffic source that really works, as well as a paid source for those that want more control in your conversions. He also gives you bonus material, as you can see, and extra funnels uh, as well. So this is going to be a rather short video because that's pretty much all you need. The link that you need to sign up is below. If you guys can go ahead and sign up with me. You'll get all of Liam's tools as well as the tools that I'll be releasing in the near future. I'm going to be doing a few walkthroughs, ebooks, and giveaways as contests as our team grows. So look out for that in the upcoming videos. My next videos will be talking about traffic, about free traffic sources as well as paid traffic. We'll also talk more about how to set up landing pages as well as other things you need in order to create passive income. I want to make this an all-inclusive one-stop shop for everything that you need in order to be successful. So if you guys can please comment, like, and subscribe, that would be very awesome. And I hope to see you guys in the challenge. Have an awesome day. Thank you.